Yo, what's up everybody? This is a short little thing that I'm going to do here. This is just kind of like an addition to the Vader lens video. I actually found a better way to do this. I know this is going to sound really dumb, but so on the inside of here, I heated it up in my hand. Then when it was kind of floppy, the acrylic, then I set it down right where I wanted it to be, and I took this tennis ball and I stuck it right where the lens is to give it that concave, the roundedness. And let me just show you from the front. Look at that. Oh man. Of course it's not that bright. It's because this tennis ball is right behind it, but this worked absolutely perfect. I mean, it's like a perfect fit in there, and it's perfectly rounded, bubbled. You can see how it's bubbled out. So now I'm going to do the other one, and I was going to videotape myself. Gosh, I must be from the 80s. I'm going to record myself on my phone. Let me get this stupid protective stuff off of here real quick. I left this other lens in here because I know how stupid I am, and I will freaking make two of the same one. So I don't want to do that. All right, there it is. Let's get this stuff off. Ugh. And if you want the link to this acrylic that I'm using, it's on Amazon. I think I have it in the description of the other lens video. Just go check that out. All right, so I'm gonna set this down and start heating this baby up. And this part sucks because it kind of takes a little while. And your hand gets hot. I usually use my welder gloves last time, but they're over there and they're just so freaking heavy that I can't do anything in them. So let's heat this up pretty good. All I really have to get is the very end here, like maybe from here over. So I'm just gonna get that nice and loose. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. Starts flopping around a little bit. It needs to flop a little more than that, but it's getting there. Hot in my hand. All right, I think we got a good enough flop there. Let me turn that off. Let's see if I can get you down here before this thing gets too loose. And I'm just gonna lay it down on there and take my tennis ball and rock it back and forth to get that concave back and forth. And I mean, you can kind of see what I'm doing here. All I did is smash that tennis ball down in that lens, or the eye hole. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see it. See how it's caved in? Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So, I'm just gonna let that sit right there. Put the other one right here. Let that one sit. Man, these are gonna be nice. So nice. Put the tennis ball over here. I'm gonna take a marker while I've got it like this and just mark where the lens is, where I need to cut. Squeaky. There's that one. Yeah, after I did that first one, I figured, man, I really need to show y'all how to do that, or how I did that, because it's way easier than the last like method that I used, and it gives you a nice concave lens. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Anyways, there's that, and hopefully that helps. I'll come back in a minute after I get them mounted in there and show you what it looks like. All right, bye. What's up, guys? I told y'all I would show y'all what the finished product looked like on the helmet, and the Darth Vader Rogue One helmet, after I finished those lenses. So let me grab it and I'll show you real quick. So there it is. The lenses, you can, let me see if I can get close. See how they're rounded off? The tennis ball technique worked really awesome, and real happy with how this turned out. I just actually finished painting the nose on this. But this one, this Vader helmet is done. And I have to say, this thing turned out freaking awesome. Actually, it's not done. I still got to put the grills in there. I'm gonna get those. I'm gonna get those from Home Depot though. I'm not gonna do the whole printed grills. But man, this thing, it's got fingerprints all over right now because I've been messing with it. But this thing is super shiny and just, it looks awesome. Freaking cool. Anyways, that's the lenses. If y'all want some rounded lenses, get you a tennis ball and a heat gun and heat that stuff up, cut it to fit in there, put that tennis ball right on top of it and just smash it down. It makes a perfect round lens. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and I've got more videos coming too. I've been swamped lately. I've been trying to do my, well, let me show you. I've been working on this. This is my Chewy pants. I finished the top. The top is right here. So the top is done. And I'm working on the pants right now. But man, it's a lot of latch hooking. It's time consuming. Very much so. So, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.